Oh man, it's so fresh.
Hey man.
Oh, what's up, man? Hey, how's it going?
Can I have those back rocks, man?
These ones? I literally just created these back rocks.
No. Mine now.
I'm pretty sure I'm the one making it right now.
For the people, man.
I already do a lot for the people though.
But you can just make more, and then we can have some too. Sharing is caring.
Yeah, I mean, you have a point. I guess I can just make more. All right, fine. Let's learn them. Okay, let's do it. What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Magnus.Magneto, back again, branded again. Shout out to Last Standing Clothing for the fresh toque. I appreciate ya, Aaron. I appreciate ya. Today we're doing back rocks. Back rocks, I think, is a move that a lot of people overlook because they think it's too basic, but I want to show you guys 3 cool variations that I have, and maybe that will inspire you to make some more. If you don't have your basic back rocks yet, do comment down below and I can make a tutorial for you guys covering the more base ones, but these ones are a little bit more advanced. Let's go right away now. All right, first one, shoulder chair taps. So quickly going over what a shoulder chair is. Shoulder chair is a chair, but on your shoulder. For a shoulder chair, all you need to do is keep your hips high, then have your arm under your body like this, and then boom, shoulder chair, and then 1 foot up. If you guys want an in-depth tutorial on this again, comment down below, let me know, but for now, that's all you guys get. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do for this is learn how to slide. So, hips up, you're gonna bring your right leg down, and you're gonna kick diagonal to the top corner. As you do that, you're gonna slide on your right shoulder. Slide, drop. Try that a couple times. Backing up, and slide, drop. As you're kicking, make sure your hips are going up, so that you can have time to bring your arm under for your shoulder chair. Okay, now when you're in the air, bring your hand to that shoulder chair position, just like that. So you're going leg down, kicking up, diagonal. As you're doing that, your arm's coming to your back. Going up, down. So just let yourself go up and down naturally like that. Just be lazy with it. And then once you're comfortable with that, we can start bringing our feet down. But first, get your arm in there. Remember, the higher you go, the easier it'll be to get your arm under. So again, under, down. If you're sliding to the right, right foot down. If you're sliding to the left, left foot down. So if I'm gonna slide to the right, I'm gonna bring my right foot down as my right arm catches in that shoulder chair. So you're going down, up, hit, just like that. So the trick to this one is literally whip your right arm under your body. As you're going this way, you're pulling that under. That's what adds a cool effect to it. So try this a couple times. You're gonna push up on top of your head and pull your right arm under your body. Like that. Okay, again, up, hit. The reason we're doing that is because then when I slide, watch, hit. I'm doing that same motion, just bringing it to here instead of here, okay? So that's really important because the faster you get that arm there, the faster you can bring your leg down. So starting from your opposite side, we're gonna go left leg up, basic back rock, bring it up in the air, switch, down, up, into your shoulder chair. Shoulder chair. Now getting back to your back rock, all you're gonna do is kick the leg that's on the ground into the air. Boom, legs in the air. This foot comes to the ground as this foot raises to the air. So switching, pop. Keep your hips up or else it's not gonna look clean. Okay, now go side to side. Starting slowly, you're gonna go left to right. So, left, switch, switch, up, keep your balance, down, back rock, switch, switch, up, back, down, and a little bit quicker, switch, switch, up, back, hit, and switch, hit, back, up, and. Feel free to slide as far as you want, but I find sliding not too far is actually better for the feeling of the step because it keeps it looking like a back rock. But if you want, you can totally go slide, hit. If I were you, I would go basic, basic, hit, hit, and then into a big slide. So something like this. Okay, the second back rock, I don't have a name for this one because again, I created this one today. So feel free to comment down below and let me know what you guys think it should be named. Okay, so the first thing you want to learn on this back rock is how to hold your thigh in a back rock. So basically when you go over, it's the same thing. You're gonna keep your hips low to high so you can get up. And then you're gonna be bringing your hand to your thigh. Hand to your thigh. Watching, hit. Just like that. So if you're here in a shoulder freeze position, you're gonna bring that hand down to your thigh and then balance. You can use both hands if you need to, just like that. Get comfortable with this, like a shoulder, side, chair, baby freeze thingy-majiggy. So from here, leg low, raise high, up and hit. Just like that. If you need to use your toe to catch yourself, that's totally fine. So get that comfortable, both sides, going hips up, thigh, tap, tap, thigh, tap, tap, thigh, tap, tap. Okay, now you're gonna do the same thing, but rather than holding your thigh, you're gonna pull your leg backwards. So you're gonna go, pull, just like that. Again, switching sides. So you're going, pull, 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 just like that. Pull it back, pull it back. Hey, hey, hey. So you're bracing yourself on your elbow and your shoulder as you're going over. Here. You see that? That's what you want to balance on as you're pulling it backwards. Pull. Try both sides. Pull, step, step, pull, step, step, pull, step, step. Now adding in your second arm. Your second arm is going to go over top your leg, posing, boom, just like that. Here, pop. So you're going over, this leg pulling back, this arm posing. That's your position. Pop. Other side, over, pull under, pop. So for now, just go back to the thigh grab and try your second arm. So you're here, and then this arm goes over top, poses. So you can even keep your foot down if you need to balance first. And as soon as you're ready, pose. So up here, connect. Up here, connect. When you go over, obviously keep yourself small, because if you keep yourself elongated, there's no way you're gonna get your arm and your head to connect. So make sure when you're coming in, you're balling your body up as much as possible to help with that, getting that quicker and quicker. Now add those two together. So down, up, pull, catch. It's hard to do slow, so you're gonna have to just watch it slow-mo, and then I'm gonna show you it quicker, okay? Hit, hit, hit. Due to the awkwardness of the position, balancing in it isn't gonna be really a thing you're doing, so try to instead hit it more snappy, and if you're gonna balance it, I suggest doing a spin or something. Alright fam jam, number 3, the last one, the Magneto Thread. This one I created quite a few years ago, but I never actually really showed it around much because I kind of shifted out of battling and it's just kind of being in the arsenal but hasn't been used, so here you go. So of course, best for last. Let's get into it. So starting same way as before, leg down, up and down, going up and down. Then you're gonna cross your leg over like that. So going up, cross. Get that comfortable first. Try one more time. Up, hit with one hand. And again, up, hit. Now when you're here, grab that front foot, pull it up, get that comfortable, and then thread it. Okay? So here, thread it, and down. Here. Now, once you're good with that one, you're gonna land in that position right away. So rather than have your foot hit the ground, grab your foot. So you're here, like this, over, grab. So the hardest part about this one is you're threading on the same arm that's on the ground balancing. So hence why it gets a little bit hectic, but if you hit it, it's super trippy because it's the same arm. That's what adds the illusion in. So again, here, connect to this right away. Pull this arm behind you. Don't think about bringing this foot through. Think about pulling this arm back. Back, like that. That thread has to be super strong. This one, up and hit. Try that a couple times. So you're here. Okay, you see how far my leg goes back? That's how you want it to look. You want it to be strong. Now land it back in your back rock position. So, starting here, up and over, and then pulling it through, placing it down. So basically, as you're about to put your foot down, let go. Don't let go too early, because again, the illusion comes in from actually placing it down on the ground. Watch again. Up, down. So I place it down. As soon as I place it down, my other leg's about to hit, my hand comes away. So watch it again. Up, down. Once you're good with that side, switch sides. And 3, 2, 1, up, thread. See that little hole I have there? That's basically the only time you have to catch your balance. For all the back rocks, always toes on the ground. Never flat foot. I feel like that's obvious, but I'm gonna say it again because you wanna be very light and you wanna keep your hips up. Here, thread, okay? This is really important that this is here, or else when you try to go for both sides, it's not gonna be clean. And sound complaints, dog, they're real. Slowly try both sides, hips up, and up, thread place, up, try that side again, up, thread place. Since this one's pretty quick, the way to do it clean, again, is pushing down that foot after you thread it. You have to help it down to the ground as fast as possible. So watch again, I'm gonna go quicker, thread, thread. If you want to be extra, go for double threads. I still can barely hit it, but something like this. Up, thread, thread, down. Watch. Boom, boom. Oh, mess it up. 1, 2. It's hard. If anyone masters those, let me know. I'm still working on it. Let's get it together. Last time, a little bit quicker. Thread, thread, thread. Woo! Alright, y'all. That's it from me. This was your boy, Magnus.Magneto from Now or Never crew. If you guys want more of this kind of content, again, as always, do comment down below. Let me know what else you guys would like me to upgrade. As always with these sets, flip it, change it, rearrange it, make it yours, and make it famous for being your step, not my step. It came from here, but keep leveling up. That's how we build, guys and gals. Level up the steps. What I give you, level it up. And then again, and then again, and then we're all gonna elevate and get better together. Okay, if you guys enjoyed this video, please comment again, like the video, subscribe, and smash that bell button if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. Magnus.Magneto, out. So you're hungry, you want more. I was the same growing up as I started breaking, and I'm the same now as I've continued breaking. Which is why I started a weekly newsletter every Monday, Mondays with Magnus, where I'll be sharing anything from breaking to health and everything in the middle that I've found that I can leverage to my advantage to becoming the best human being I can possibly be. To join, all you have to do is email me at Magnus.ff94@gmail.com, and I will see you Monday.